so we're here in the store, and I'm getting bids. People are buying my stuffs, and we just found some Twinkies and Bull Balls, and I'm about to figure out how much the price on these right now. So let's... Okay, fam, so I find, and it's selling for 20 bucks. So we got 4 boxes, but I'm thinking of just buying them all type shit. It's like, that's a come up, man. And especially, like, I don't think they've ever made these yet. And we just found a holy grail, so like, 20 bucks for 2 boxes. It cost us 5 bucks. I mean, you can't go wrong, bro. This is like a holy grail. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting more for sure. Oh wait. I have also a question. I'm trying to buy more of these. Would I be able to get a stand with it?
Do you see them? Do we have them?
Yeah.
Yeah, just grab them. What do you mean?
Can I get the whole stand too? Like I'll buy all of them. Alright, great. So do I just bring the stand in the stand?
Yeah, just go ahead. Bring it.
Okay. I don't really know how this works. I'm guessing this thing. Why did it stand? See,
it
this
fit?
is
Will it fit?
it'll fit.
Woo! You look so good, Will. The spooky Twinkies, like, they're like chocolate Twinkies. Okay, thank you.
So we just called them to see if another Smart Final has more, because if they do, I'm gonna buy them all. Because yeah, I mean, I feel like that's gonna be a good flip, and I see people doing that all the time. So also a lot of people like Twinkies, which is weird, and I see them selling, which is also weird. So I feel like as soon as the season falls out, it's fucking come up. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we lit.
You have spooky Twinkies?
Excuse me?
The spooky Twinkies, like the chocolate Twinkies.
The Twinkies?
That should be in one of the aisles in this.
Yes. Let me double check. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Did you?
That's why I relate to her so much, because, like, you know, and I feel that when we're together, because we were both crazy.
Okay, so we got Twinkies for days, you know what I'm saying? We got these limited edition Twinkies, and we got a ton of them. Today I'm gonna give you guys an honest review on these Twinkies. Never tried them. I got myself a glass of almond milk. I would say I like these better than regular ones for sure. Yeah, with this almond milk, It's like a brownie, but a Twinkie. You know what I mean? It's weird. They're gonna go hard. I already know. They're already sold.
I don't give a fuck what you're saying now, ho. I came up straight from the slums, though.